Oh, hey guys, listen, Mr. Grogar is not here today, so I'm going to be his substitute teacher. I see that you're having some problem with the quadratic formula. Am I right? Okay, good. So, anyways, let me teach you how to do a problem. Follow me. Okay, so we have a practice problem right over here. And so now we have to do the problem. First, we need to find this equation and write it with that. But how do you do it? Well, first, you have to do this inside the quadratic thingamajig. And how do you do that? Well, in this equation majig, you have letters. You got the A, B, C, and once you get that, you would have to use this right here and plug it in, all those numbers in here. So let's begin. So the first one is B. We have to put 9 squared. Then it's minus 4 times 1 and 13. After you do that, you have to do some math. So 9 times 9 is 81. Minus 4 times 1 is 4. And 4 times 14 is 56. Now kids, what do you get when you minus 81 and 56?
The answer is 25.
That's right, 25. Excellent. Now, we solved this part. Now we have to plug it in. Plug it in. But now, we have also these letters, B and A. What are we going to do? Well, here's the thing. We can do the same thing what we did with that. So, B would be 9 plus minus, parentheses thingamajig, 25 over 2 times 1. It's almost complete, but there's something missing. Oh yeah, we have to get rid of this thingamajig. How are we gonna do that? Well, since it's in the quadratic square majig, we have to just square it on our calculator. This is the square root. Press this button right here to underline the square root. Then put 25. Once you do that, press the enter button. And you get 5. That's what happens when we square root 25. Since we got rid of this, we can now be 9 plus minus 5 over 2. Because 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, we're almost done. But we gotta get rid of this plus and minus and get 2 answers out of this, y'all. So what we gotta do is create 2 more equations. This time, it's 9 plus 5 over 2. Then 9 minus 5 over 2. You see? Now, what we have to do next is solve it. So let's begin. What's 9 plus 5?
I think the answer is 14.
That's right, 14. Put 14 on top, put the other one on the bottom. What do you get when you divide 14 divided by 2? That's right, 7. Then, what's 9 minus 5, kids? 4.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
It's 4. Divided by 2. How do you do that?
2.
2! Oh, cool. You guys are great. So now, we got 2 answers. And I think that's it. I hope you learned something today. Thanks. I'm gonna leave now. Get a Burger King. I love doing my math. Oh no!
Wow, that was a hard fall.
What a tumble! Oh no, my calculator.
So, okay.
Oh yes, it still has one precious calculation on it.
What's all the commotion?
Hi, Teach! Oh, you'll never believe what just happened. Remember that equation we learned in math today?
Oh yeah, what are you doing?
Well, my calculator dropped from dropped from the top of the stairs, and it hit right here, and it smashed here. And I want to know, with the quadratic equation that you taught us, how long did it take to hit the ground? That's a perfect idea.
Well, let's get a piece of paper and a pencil and figure it out together.
Yeah!
Come on, let's go. Alright, is everyone ready to do this math problem?
Yep.
Alright, let's begin what we taught you in class. First thing we're gonna do is get the A, B, and C out of there. Okay, so first thing we need to do is follow this equation for the quadratic formula right here. First, we need to do this part. And I already got the A, B, and C of the numbers. So now we have to just plug it in, which I already have done. 28 squared minus 4 times negative 16 times 16.4, which gives us 784 minus 1049.6, which equals altogether negative 265.6. We're almost done. We already got that. So now we just have to plug the rest of them in. So 28 plus minus negative 265.6 over 2 times negative 16. After we do that, now we have to square our square number. Let's begin. Negative 265.6 equals domain error. We failed. The end. Sorry for the technical difficulties. The real answer is 1833.6. After we put this in here, we can square it. So let's begin. 1833.6 equals 42.82. So let's put that here. We squared it. Now, let's put this on the bottom. So 2 times negative 16 is negative 32. Alright, that looks good. Now, let's do the plus or minus, because we already squared that. We get this. Let's begin. So, 28 plus 42.82 divided by negative 32. Let's begin. What does that equal? 28 plus 42.82 equals 70.82. Now, 70.82 divided by negative 32 equals negative 2.21. Now we have to do 28 minus 42.82 divided by negative 32. This will be a piece of cake. 28 minus 42.82 equals negative 14.82. Negative 14.82 divided by negative 32 equals 0.46. Okay. Now, kids, which one do you think is the right answer? Obviously, the one that's negative is no. So you get to... This is the right answer. It's a positive, and it has serious complications, my brother. Now you see, guys, do you understand now about the quadratic formula?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Because remember, kids, learning math is important. And if you don't learn your math skills, you're never going to make it in this world. I'll catch you later. Why are you so sad?
Hear the roar.